Oswald the Sniffles. Here you are, weenie girl. Crispy, crunchy cereal. Oh my gosh, what was that? Shoo! That sounds like Henry sneezing. That's one big sneeze. Come on, girl. We'd better check on Henry.
Come in.
Oh my gosh, Henry. Are you sick? Huh?
I went out in the rain without my umbrella and I got all wet. Now I have a case of the Arctic Sniffles.
The Arctic Sniffles? Oh no!
It's nothing serious,
Oh good.
but I feel terrible.
Oh no. Achoo! Bless you. What you need is a good nap. Let's get you to bed.
I really don't feel like a nap, Oswald.
Achoo! But you need one.
Thanks, pal.
Do you want me to get you anything?
No, I'm fine. Except maybe the newspaper
You got it, Henry.
and some hot cocoa would be nice. With 2 marshmallows, no more.
Achoo!
No less.
Sure thing. Come on, weenie. Achoo! Oh, look! A rain cloud. We'd better get under cover. Whew, that was close. Hi, Bingo. 1 copy of the Big City Bugle, please. Thank you. We'd better hurry to the big diner. We don't want to get wet.
Hello, Oswald. Hello, Weenie.
Hi, Madam Butterfly. I'd like a mug of hot cocoa to go. With 2 marshmallows. No more, no less.
Oh, it must be for Henry. 1 hot cocoa coming right up. 1, 2. No more, no less.
Thanks, Madam Butterfly. Henry's got a bad case of the sniffles.
Poor Henry. You know, a nice bowl of soup is the best way to get rid of the sniffles.
I didn't know that.
Just a minute. Here you go. 1 hot sardine soup. It's Henry's favorite.
Thanks again, Madam Butterfly. I'm sure this'll make Henry feel better.
Me too, Oswald. Goodbye now.
Bye, Madam Butterfly. The Big City Bugle, a cup of cocoa, and sardine soup. Whew, sure is a lot to carry. Oh, thank you, Weenie. Now let's get back to Henry. Oh my gosh. We better take another way home. We don't want to get wet from the rain. Hi, Johnny.
Why, hello there, Oswald. Weenie. My, you've got your hands full.
It's for Henry. He's got the sniffles.
Is that so? You know, Oswald, I believe keeping warm is the best way to get rid of the sniffles.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Here, give these nice warm woolies to Henry.
Thanks, Johnny. I'm sure they'll make Henry feel better.
I hope so. Goodbye now.
Bye, Johnny. Okay, girl. Let's bring Henry the Big City Bugle, the cup of cocoa, the sardine soup, and the warm woolies. Oops. Oh my gosh. It's that rain cloud again. We'd better take a shortcut. Phew.
Good day, Oswald.
Good day, Weenie.
Hi, Egbert and Leo.
My, you certainly have your hands full.
Yes. Why?
It's for Henry, to make him feel better. He's got the sniffles.
You know, the best way to get rid of the sniffles...
Is with lots and lots of hankies to keep his nose happy.
I didn't know that.
Here is a whole box of happy hankies. Please take them to Henry.
Yes, with our best wishes.
Thanks, fellas. I'm sure these will make Henry feel better.
Good show. Good luck.
Goodbye.
Bye, Egbert and Leo. Okay, Weenie. Let's bring Henry the Big City Bugle, the cup of cocoa, the sardine soup, the warm woolies, and the happy hankies. Oh my gosh! Let's go, Weenie! Quick, Weenie, in here!
Oswald, Weenie, welcome.
Hi, Andy. We were just ducking in from that rain cloud.
Well, what'll it be?
I think we have everything we need. Henry's got the sniffles, and we have all these remedies for him.
Do you have soothing candy drops? Because candy drops are absolutely the best way to get rid of the sniffles.
I didn't know that.
Oh, yes. Would you like Swizzleberry drops? Or Tootsie Fruitsy drops? Or Choco-Loco Latte? Or Jelly Jamboree?
How about Doodle Drops?
Doodle Drops. Excellent choice.
Thanks, Andy. I'm sure this will make Henry feel better.
Me too. Bye-bye now. Come again.
Bye, Andy. Cocoa with marshmallows, soup of sardine, warm fuzzy woolies and hankies so clean. Dozens of doodle drops, I've got them all. So let's get home before the rain starts to fall. It's raining, Weenie! Run!
Come in.
Henry, we're back!
Oh, hello, Oswald. Did you bring the newspaper? Thanks, Weenie. Is that my cocoa? Thanks, buddy. 2 marshmallows?
No more, no less. Henry, you look so much better.
Just like you said, Oswald, all I needed was a good nap.
But we brought you soup. And hankies. And doodle drops. And... achoo!
Uh-oh. I'd say you've come down with a bad case of the Arctic sniffles. Let's get you to bed.
It must have been the rain. Achoo!
Bless you.
I don't really feel like a nap.
But you need one.
Achoo!
And here's some soup. And some hankies. And some doodle drops.
Thanks, Henry.
Say, I know the best thing for the Sniffles.
What?
A big plate of steamed seaweed. I'll be right back.
The broken vase. Wow! Henry has a perfect day for fly fishing.
You said it, Oswald.
Almost ready to go. I just need to get my trusty rod and reel.
We'll keep an eye on your apartment while you're gone, Henry.
Thank you, Oswald. It shouldn't be too much trouble at all. Let's start with my cactus plant. Exactly at 12 o'clock, you must give it 2 drops of water. No more, no less.
2 drops. 1, 2.
Precisely. Then there's my music record of the penguin polka. I shine it up with my special plankton polish. Gently, twice a day.
Roger Dodger.
And of course, you need to dust my spoon collection. There's nothing worse than a dusty spoon.
We'll take care of it, Henry.
You can count on us.
Well then, I'll be on my way. Whoops! I almost knocked over my favorite fish vase. Well, I'm off. See you this evening.
Exactly 12 o'clock. Time to water the cactus plant. 1, 2. No more, no less.
I'll polish up the polka music record. Phew. Whee! Hey, this couch is bouncy-wouncy. Whee! It's like a trampoline. Whoo!
Be careful, Daisy.
Look, Oswald, I can make the pillows dance.
Oh my gosh! The vase! Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Oh no! I broke Henry's favorite fish vase.
Be careful, Daisy.
What am I going to do, Oswald?
Gee, I think the best thing to do is tell Henry what happened. I'm sure he'll understand.
You think so? But he's going to be so mad at me. I know. With a little tape, I can fix this up as good as new.
Well, I don't know, Daisy. There's an awful lot of pieces here.
Would you hold this, Sweeney? Thanks. Now, let's see. This piece looks like it goes here, and this one goes there, and this little bitty fits here. There. What do you think, Oswald?
I think it looks more like a cat than a fish, Daisy.
Maybe I could tell Henry it's a catfish.
No, I don't think that will work, Daisy.
There's no way I can fix this vase. What am I going to do now, Oswald?
I think the best thing to do is tell Henry what happened.
But he's going to be so mad at me. Oh. I know. If I can't fix Henry's vase, I'll buy him a new one. Oh.
Hi, Binget.
Hiya, Oswald. Can I help you guys?
Binget, I need a vase that looks like a fish.
I think I know just what you're looking for. Ta-da!
That's not a fish. It's a mermaid.
Well, a mermaid has a fish tail, so you're halfway there, huh?
No, Binget. It has to be a fish vase.
Okay, here's our electric eel vase. It lights up and wiggles.
Binget, it has to be a fish vase.
I don't suppose you'd be interested in this.
That's it!
Oh, my goodness! Oops!
Oh, no!
It's okay, Daisy. Could we get another fish vase, Binget?
Oh, that was my last one. Sorry, guys.
Thanks, Binget.
Oh, Oswald, what am I going to do?
I think the best thing to do is tell Henry what happened.
But he's going to be so mad at me. I know! I'll make a vase that's just like Henry's. Binget,
Yeah?
I want to make one of those fish vases for Henry. I need some clay, please.
Okay.
Thanks, Binget.
Just doing my job.
I'll use this clay to make a vase just like Henry's, and he'll never know the difference.
I don't know, Daisy. It might be harder than it sounds.
Now, let me see. Weenie, you could be my model. Can you pose like a fish?
Give it a try, Weenie.
Wow, that's perfect. Oh, but I can't see you down there, Weenie. Would you hold her up, Oswald?
Okay. Come here, girl.
Perfect. Now don't move. A little more here.
Whoops.
Whoa! There. What do you think?
It kind of looks like Weenie with a fishtail.
Maybe I could tell Henry it's a dogfish.
No, I don't think that will work, Daisy.
Oh, it's no use, Oswald. I ruined Henry's vase and I can't fix it. Now he'll never be my friend again.
Of course he will. Remember the day we went out to play. You lost Henry's kite, but it was all right. And once by the shed, you painted him red instead of the chair, but he didn't care. He knew you didn't mean it. He knew your paintbrush slipped when you bumped him in the lake. He knew that you just tripped. So don't be afraid to tell him you made a simple mistake. Your friendship won't break. Here comes Henry. What are you going to do, Daisy?
I guess you're right, Oswald. The best thing to do is just tell Henry what happened.
Greetings, friends. I had a great day fly fishing. Look, I must have caught 30 flies.
That's great, Henry.
So, how did it go here?
It's okay. You can tell him.
Tell me what, Daisy?
Well, I was bouncing on your couch and I bounced the pillow off and it broke your favorite fish vase and I'm sorry.
You broke my favorite fish vase?
Yes, and I tried to fix it, but I couldn't. I understand if you're mad at me and don't want to be my friend anymore.
I'm not mad at you, Daisy.
You're not? But it was your favorite vase.
I know. That's why I have so many.
Oh my gosh!
A vase I can replace, but a friend like you is one of a kind.
Henry, you're the best.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
The vase! Oh! Phew!
Great catch, Oswald. Here, let me put it on the table.
No. I better do that, Daisy. I'm a little more careful than you. Oh, my.
Henry, your flies!
How will you ever catch them all?
Anyone for a little fly fishing?
I got one!
There's one over there! Go get it!
Ha ha ha!